The S24 Ultra has been seen by someone in every color, and they have all of it on camera. We'll only talk about 3 of the 4 shades because the black one is hiding. Titanium Ray is the main color of the S24 Ultra. We've heard that the titanium on the S24 Ultra not just shines brighter than the titanium on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but it also feels more metal. I can't say for sure if it feels better, but I think it looks better. The titanium violet shade choice really took me off guard. At first, I was set on getting the titanium gray color, but after seeing this vibrant purple one, or should I call it titanium violet, it looks really cool, or maybe even cooler. It will be really hard to choose a color tomorrow before you click the pre-order button. Now we have the titanium yellow, which looks like gold. It looks nice, but this might be the best pick for people who like gold. One important thing to keep in mind is that all of the colors have silver frames and camera rings that match, which makes them seem even better. Also, the box isn't exactly the same as the one for the S23 Ultra. It now has the S Pen and the shadow of the device on it. Also, you only have 24 hours from the time this video is uploaded to lock in the $150. Sign up with your name and email address. Okay, that's it. Being a no obligation deal means that you don't have to buy anything even after making a reservation. For the Ultra, you will not only get $150 in Samsung credits, but you will also get perks worth $970. Last but not least, we saw a few days ago that the S24's AI features might be free until 2025. That's a year after its official launch. You may have to pay for a few of the more expensive services after that though. Today, we got confirmation from an official Samsung account that it's true. Next, information about how to pre-order has also been shared. There will be free Galaxy Watch SIXS in the UK at stores and networks. In South Korea, you can get a free pair of Galaxy Buds 2 Pro, more storage space, and a Samsung Care Plus guarantee for 1 year. Details are still being worked out in the US, but bookings will get an upgrade to storage space and $150 in Ultra credits. So without being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.